I realized for something great I was created. Music's my life, and for a long time I have waited to break free and live the life that I can see. As my dreams come to life, just fighting to be me. Yeah, I believe in something greater than self. I believe there's more to live in life than trying to get wealth. More than life than simply working hard to only get by. More than death than what we think when every one of us dies. There's more around than we can see, not caught by the eye. See, I might have started walking, but I was born to fly. World, it might have clipped my wings, but that don't mean I don't try. My feet, they might be on the ground, but my head's in the sky. Got a dream in my heart and a gleam in my eye. Dropping beats from my birth till the day that I die. And though life is hard, I always keep my face to the sky. Looking up to heaven, knowing everything will be fine. I've made up my mind, my life is decided. Man, I write the words and in me music simply provided. I'd like to take the credit, but I know that I'm guided. Now every track blows up like two trains that collided, you know. I wasn't simply created to live a life underrated, to trip and fall in the system, to live a life full of hatred, to blindly agree, pay all your dues. Man, you better be careful, cause there's a whole lot to lose. The world's an evil place, and man, it's easy to use it. That's why half the time I stay low and I keep on my music. But like everything else, I'm careful not to abuse it, so that I'm not caught in the hype, give up my love or lose it. And now